The Cirrus Ford Drive X is designed so you can drive from your wheelchair, giving you freedom and independence. We designed a unique, innovative drive from wheelchair solution, ergonomically designed for the ultimate comfort and usability. The tailgate and ramp are automated, so no assistance is required. Based on the Ford Tornado Custom, our conversion recreates the driving position intended by Ford. From the moment you sit in the driver's position, you will see and feel the difference. The fully lowered floor ensures class-leading head height, optimum vision, comfort and safety. You can seat up to 6 people with a flexible seating layout and choose from a range of storage solutions. The vehicle is designed so you can transport the driver's seat and switch to wheelchair passenger whilst on your journey. When travelling as a passenger, the wheelchair user is seated in the mid-row position, just behind the driver. Also in the mid-row is an additional seat, which includes ISOFIX points to safely secure a child seat. Our conversion has an exceptional build quality and finish, plus sound insulation to reduce road noise. Dimensionally, our conversion is designed to provide maximum interior space and comfort. Compared to alternative conversions, the Cirrus design ensures a lower seated position for a superior driving experience. You will also experience an improved field of vision for increased safety. See how our vehicle compares to alternative drive-from-wheelchair products. You can park in most height-restricted car parks, as the vehicle height is under 2 meters. Our drive-from-wheelchair vehicle has been fully tested to the highest standards. With over 17 years of experience, Cirrus has produced over 3,000 wheelchair-accessible vehicles. Ford's Tornado Custom includes the latest driver assistance technologies and a state-of-the-art EcoBlue engine, which offer new levels of efficiency without compromising drive quality. With technology to make your life easier, Ford's Sync 3 integrates seamlessly with your compatible smartphone, letting you control everything, from phone calls and text messaging to music and satellite navigation. Cirrus guarantee industry-leading after-sales service and warranty. Contact us for a free home demonstration.